guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Valentine's Day and it is also Adam's birthday, and I just realized I have like 20 minutes before he gets home. Don't mind the messy background. This is me trying to organize my closet. The overflow of like my laundry has creeped into my office, but I need to wrap his gift, and then I also need to ice the cupcakes that I made for him. I was doing my makeup and then I realized how late I'm running, so I'm trying to do that. I'm still super sick and feeling very congested and miserable. We are going to a cooking class tonight at Sur La Table, and yeah, I'm still doing that challenge, so I can't drink, which I'm sick anyway, so I wouldn't. And then I likely won't be able to eat the entire meal because I don't think it's gonna be very healthy. So I might have like a green smoothie before we go, just to make sure I like fill the guidelines that I've set for my diet. And then, yeah, we're gonna go to Ann Arbor and go to the cooking class tonight, which I think will be really fun. He loves cooking, so I think that'll be just like a fun date night, especially because Valentine's Day is insane. So I didn't wanna like deal with getting a table somewhere. So that is what we're doing today. This is what I got him. I just got him a small gift because I wanted to do the cooking class. So this is the wallet. I just got it at Nordstrom. I will link it for you guys. He likes to just have a card case, and his is really stretched out, so he can't even take anything out of it because all the cards would fall out if he took anything out. So I got him a new wallet and then the cooking class. So I'm going to wrap this. I realize this is the only wrapping paper I have that's even like slightly going to work for this. So it is what it is. This was probably one of my worst wrapping jobs ever, but that's okay. I have my card and my gift, so that is good to go. I just looked in the viewfinder. Wow, I look so washed out and sick. I'm like puffy and pale and a mess. So I just took a shower and like ran my face under the hot water trying to like, didn't really work though. Okay, so here's my cupcakes. I am not good at cupcakes, so don't judge me. I thought I had sprinkles or something to go on these, but it turns out I don't. I'm just using this chocolate frosting. I think these are the candles that we're gonna do. So we'll do 3 of them, I think. We'll see. Look at these beautiful flowers that he got me for Valentine's Day. I cannot get over them. I think that they are seriously stunning. Like the most beautiful flowers I've ever received. And the note, oh my gosh. I can't take it. So last year, girlfriend, this year, fiance, next year, I'll be his wife. The birthday boy is home, like 2 seconds after I finished frosting cupcakes.
What about it?
Well, don't show anything first now. You can't see that it's stretched out on here.
You can when I do this.
Yeah, no bueno.
Yeah.
I got him the same, basically the same wallet that he had before. I didn't know, but it's the same brand. God, I look freaking terrible. This is awful.
Hey, hey, hey! Hi, guys!
Okay, keep going.
That's all I got.
You're supposed to be like, it's my birthday.
Right, it is.
Yeah. How does 36 feel?
Feels swell.
It's good. We are on our way. I finally put the rest of my makeup on, and I feel like I look somewhat more human, even though I still feel not great. But we are on our way to our mystery date that you already know where we're going, but Adam does not
longer as well. See, there's what's that? I'm looking for brown frosting. That's exactly what I'm looking for. This brown frosting on it on the steak. Yeah. Down with these cuts. You see, they're still rare. Is everybody okay with medium rare?
Yeah.
Cool. So when I pour this hot sauce over top of this, it's gonna do just that.
All right, we just got back from the cooking class. I got a couple of clips on my phone for you guys, but it was fun.
Yeah, it was definitely fun. It was a good surprise.
Yeah. So now we're gonna do happy birthday with all the cupcakes that Adam has to eat. Mucho better.
What's this?
Happy birthday. No. Did I push record?
I don't remember too.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear babe, bestie, fiance, boyfriend. Happy birthday to you. And many more from Channel 4. Where's yours from?
Can't tell you.
Why?
The rules.
You guys, I am finally not sick anymore. Oh my gosh, I was sick for freaking forever. Or at least it feels that way because I still had to work out and do all of my 75 hard stuff every day. But I wanted to open up a couple of packages with you, and then I'm gonna show you guys my closet. I was organizing it today. I'm at a stopping point because there's a couple of things that I'm gonna switch out and shelves that I'm gonna get and stuff like that. So I'm where I'm gonna be for the foreseeable future, at least the next few weeks. And I just finished filming that video today, so I'm gonna show you a little sneak peek. I'm sure that video is already up, so if it is, I will link it up here. I take you guys along to IKEA with us. We went there the day after we got engaged, so February 9th. And then it was like a week and a half of putting things together, building all of it, and then actually having the time to organize it. So that video is finished. Also, I haven't had a ring in a week because it's at the jeweler, and I'm not gonna have it back for like another week to 2 weeks, which is so sad. I only had it for like 5 days. And I like want it back right away. And I know I got a lot of comments on that video asking to see the ring. You guys will see it after I get it back. It was just nice to have something that was just between us. I share so much of my life with the internet, and so there's some things that I just am not gonna share right away. So yeah. Anyway, if you guys have any videos you want to see as far as wedding stuff goes, let me know. I have no idea what that will look like because we don't have anything done yet. We're going to look at a venue for the first time on Saturday. Today is Thursday. So we don't have a date, we don't have anything, but it will likely be this fall. So in like 6-ish months, we will probably get married, or I don't know. It depends on what dates are even available at different venues. But yeah, if you guys are interested in anything like that, it is going to be hopefully a budget-friendly wedding because we are paying for it ourselves. So yeah, if you guys want to see like how we end up saving money, where we cut costs, what we do, I don't even know what we're gonna do yet. So let me know any ideas, or if you guys have any questions for me. I am going to film a chatty get ready with me. I know that I just filmed one, and in that video I was talking about how I knew Adam was my person and I knew that we would get married, and then like 2 days later we got engaged. So if you guys have any questions that you want me to answer or topics that you want me to talk about, whether it's about Adam being engaged, the wedding, any of that, leave it down below. Okay, let's open up a couple of packages. I have one from Laura Mercier. This is adorable, per usual. Oh, it says 14 Valentine's Day products. Create the perfect Valentine Day lip. So it's lip liner, lipstick, more lipstick, translucent powder, and blush. And it is this big box of stuff. So these Well, this is a lip liner. The matte lipstick, I've tried this before and I do like this formula. So there are 4 of the Velour Extreme matte lipsticks in here, 2 of the Longwear lip liners, a mini translucent powder, 4 of their blushes, and then 3 of their Rouge Essential Silky Cream lipsticks. Yeah, I'm very excited to try these out, so thank you so much to Laura Mercier for that package. Next up is from Elemis. I love a good Elemis package. This is what it looks like, and it says the Peptide Antioxidant Hydra Serum Overnight Radiance Peel. That sounds good. So that is what these 2 products are. I am so excited to try these, especially this Overnight Radiance Peel. It says for tired looking dull skin, refines, brightens, and replenishes. Yes, please. So I'm very excited about that. The next package is my first package from Murad, which I'm very excited about. Oh, they sent a little handwritten card. I love a handwritten card, probably because I handwrite cards for With Love Sarah. These are the products they sent over. So the Refreshing Cleanser, the Essential C Eye Cream, the Prebiotic 3-in-1 Multi-Mist. I actually think I have this in my collection. And then the Multivitamin Infusion Oil. That sounds very interesting. So very excited to try these out. I haven't tried a ton from Murad. I think I'm actually using a Murad eye cream right now in my nighttime skincare routine. So I'm excited to try this one out next. That one is in the green packaging. I'm not sure which line out of theirs that is, but I do really like it. So very excited to try out all of these products. And I actually had a brand that I am so excited about email me to add me to their PR list. So when I get that package, I will show you guys. I'm going to be like out of my mind excited. Good morning.
Good morning!
Holy cow, that was very loud. I'm gonna have to turn your volume down on that clip. It is Saturday and we are headed out to look at a wedding venue. We're going to look at this like garden venue, which it's the only venue that we even have on our list to look at, which is kind of sad. So wish us luck, cross your fingers, hope they have dates available, specific dates that we want. Hopefully I'll be able to get some clips there. We'll see how awkward it is. We just got home from the venue and we love it. So I think they're gonna hold it for us until
I'm just gonna hang out back here.
They're gonna hold it for us until March 1st. So, and then we'll have to do a deposit if we want to keep it. But there's so much potential. It doesn't look as good as it would look in the summer when there's things growing and flowers and everything. What do you think, babe?
Yep, it'll be good. It'll be great.
Yeah. All right, I need to paint my nails. I need to do my indoor workout, my outdoor workout, all the things. And then we have dinner plans with my cousin.